Hello smooth low potion coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about SLP coin price update. What's the price changes over in the SLP. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Let's start the video guys and let's go ahead. The right now price of SLP smooth low potion in the market is about 0.069031 USD dollar. That is right now price of SLP. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes update, so now last 1 hour update is negative 0.18%. Same like that, last 1 day change is also negative 0.05%. so guys, the price of SLP very badly dumped, very badly decreased, guys. But don't worry guys, now everything will be okay. You have to just patience, guys. Only you have to hold. Let me show you price chart. Oh my god, that's too complicated. Price chart of SLP coin, you can see sometime price falls, sometime price dump, some falls, dump, falls. And now in the latest situation the price are going at the lows. But guys, now I believe guys, now after falls, now here same pattern, falls, jump. Possibilities guys, now only 2 days remaining in the September, so possibility that for a long time SLP continue this pump. So please hold, never decide to sell, guys. Anyways, the last 1 day change is low, negative 0.05%. and guys, you can see the SLP coin price is very low. So if you want to buy SLP, I recommend to buy. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your update, and how do you feel today about smooth low potion? Good or bad? I'm feeling very good, so please also tell your opinion in the comment box.